How to literally get a lot of Steam World credit just for free, if only that you play CSGO, right? So you just have to go to here. Right now you have noticed that CSGO 2 just got released, and if you got a lot of crate, you can sell those crates, and we can take a look at the price of each crate. Let's just make an example of each crate costing like $2 or $3, and then we can discount our case that we have. For me, and I have a lot of case right there. I'm going to do the calculation soon after this. You guys can check this out. This is how you can basically get a lot of Steam World credit without doing anything, just by selling this useless case right here.